Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make seafood stuffed shell, so let's get started with the video. Begin by peeling and deveining about 5 to 7 large shrimp. When you're finished peeling and deveining your shrimp, you can go ahead and cook them. In a pan over medium heat, melt some butter. Once your butter has melted, add your shrimp. Then season your shrimp. I seasoned my shrimp with pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, Old Bay, and paprika. Then cook your shrimp for about 4 to 5 minutes. When your shrimp have finished cooking, take them out of the pan. Next, in that same pan, add a half a cup of diced onions. Sauté your onions for about 4 to 5 minutes. When you're finished sautéing your onions, add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Sauté the garlic and the onions for about a minute or so. Then, remove your garlic and onions from the pan and set them to the side. Next, chop up the shrimp you cooked before. When you're finished, set your shrimp to the side. Next, in a large pot of water, add salt. Then, bring the water to a boil and add your jumbo pasta shells. Cook your pasta shells for however long it says to on the box. While the pasta shells are cooking, we're going to make our sauce. In a saucepan over medium heat, add olive oil. Then add a half a cup of diced onions and a half a cup of bell peppers. Sauté the onions and bell peppers for about 5 minutes. Then add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Cook everything together for about 1 to 2 minutes and then add a half a cup of chicken broth and 2 cups of heavy cream. Mix everything together and then bring your sauce to a simmer. Once your sauce is thick, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, half a cup of Parmesan cheese, a half a teaspoon of Creole seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt if needed, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Mix everything together until well combined and then set your sauce to the side. Next, we're going to make our filling. In a large bowl, add 2 cups of ricotta cheese. Then add 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup of mozzarella cheese, a half a cup of lump crab meat, a half a cup of crawfish meat, a half a cup of your chopped shrimp, the onions and garlic you cooked before, 1 tablespoon of parsley, half a teaspoon of seasoned salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, and 1 egg. Once you've added all your ingredients, fold everything together until well combined. When you're finished, add your ricotta mixture into a piping bag or a Ziploc bag. This will make it easier to add your filling inside your pasta shells. If you don't have a piping bag or a Ziploc bag, then you can just add the filling with a spoon. Next, in a baking dish, add a layer of your sauce. Then fill your jumbo pasta shells with the ricotta mixture and place them into the baking dish. When you're finished, pour the rest of your sauce on top of your pasta. Then add some Parmesan cheese and mozzarella cheese on top. Next, cover your baking dish in tinfoil and place it in the oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes, remove the foil and then place your pasta back into the oven on broil and cook it for about 2 to 5 minutes, just long enough to melt the cheese and brown the top a bit. Sprinkle some parsley on top and you are all finished. And this is the finished result. This came out great and it tasted really good. The pasta was creamy, cheesy, and delicious. And it looks absolutely amazing. Stuffed shells are one of my favorite pasta dishes, so I hope you enjoy this seafood version like I did. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!